Lucky yummy. 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of sugar din. Adauga or add 1/4 of cocoa. Baking powder. I-mix lang natin. Mag-add din tayo ng 1 cup of milk. 1/4 of oil, pero kung meron kayong butter, mas maganda yung butter. Pero ako wala akong butter, so kulay yung nilagay ko. Vanilla extract. Mag-add tayo ng 3 itlog. Ilagay na natin yung aking ginawang chocolate cake. Yung aking chocolate cake. It's looky yummy.